Hello, guys, and welcome back to
1,160 Robux. Dang it.
Can I do this intro?
What?
Can I do this intro? Okay. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my channel. We have a very special guest here with us.
Shut up.
Okay, I guess she doesn't want to be in the video.
I said shut up to you, not this.
We will be playing Dress to Impress. We know.
More like me.
Stop nature inspired style with layers and extra tone. We don't have. Where is like where you can join a different server at? I'm joining a different server to where we actually have enough time. Going on the first place thing. Hi. Guys, by the way, this is my username, 547. Add me if you want to. That was yeah.
I'm doing it again.
What's the username? No, the person me. Happy Jinx, number one. There's definitions of happy. Okay. Also, my challenge, I don't know if she wants to do this challenge, but the challenge today, in case I don't know if she wants to do it, is you have to go to VIP the entire time. Okay. I'm already in it, and you can't get out.
I got my kid.
Okay, just get it. I don't know if makes me happy, to be honest. I do whatever. We should with each other. Okay, does not do with the phone. We'll do the video game lover trend later. I don't know what to wear. I guess I'm layering. Actually, no, I'm not layering. I'm not layering. I'm in the hair section. Yeah. Does anybody know when the Christmas update? Does it? Addie, I'm gonna a voice chat real quick, okay? Does anybody know when the Christmas update is like coming out? Anybody? No? Okay. Oh, I'll show you after this game because you have to do it outside of the game. Yes. Am I the only one who hates like the twisty heels? Or is that just me? My thing is glitching out so badly. I don't know. That's just a suggestion, guys. It's your guys' favorite duo. aka the only duo on this channel. Besides Steven. So we have you and me, we have Alex and Addie, and then we have me, and then we have Alex and Jaden. By the way, guys, actually go follow Jaden. Jaden is at Jaden either dash or underscore try both. N1L. What? I don't know, bro. Oh, me. I don't know why I did that post. How much money do I have? 45. Okay, I need some 45. up.